Welcome, beginners. So in this video I will be showing the basics of how to create a demo or practice account, desktop and mobile MT4 tutorial. It is good to create a demo account straight from a broker. This will eliminate scammers and spammers from contacting you. Practicing is necessary for the backtesting and getting familiar with the most important part of trading, such as understanding a strategy and apply risk management before making a live account, in my opinion. If you're from the Caribbean, this is great for you in terms of paying commission or other fees associated with United States residents and other parts of the world. There are 4 common and reliable brokers that I have seen dominate the Caribbean trading market, starting with the number 1 space, HotForex, number 2, Pepperstone, 3, Deriv, 4, ICT Markets. These are all regulated brokers, and if you're going to do business with any of these brokers, I suggest you also do your due diligence of gathering information on these brokers before signing up with them. So do a side quest. Go to Google. Alright, go to Google. Search for Trustpilot, a review platform that opens to everyone. Our vision is to become the universal symbol of trust. Now you can input any website or company inside Trustpilot and they will give you a rating on that platform or website or app, anything. So this is the reviews HotForex has on Trustpilot. So this is one way to research what entities or companies you can trust to invest in. Yeah. To begin, how to download MetaTrader, the desktop tutorial. So we would need MetaTrader 4. This is the old school MetaTrader 4 platform. I would recommend any starting out traders to start off with MT4 instead of MT5 still, but maybe my OLED CMM, I don't know, but MetaTrader 5 alright though, I guess. But for this video, because I wanted to do something else, you will all see down in the video, but let's go on back to downloading MetaTrader 4. You know what? I'm going to download the MetaTrader from the broker first. How to sign up with a broker. Now, this particular broker I am going to be using, I am not affiliated with them or getting any ad revenue for showcasing their website, but just for educational purposes so beginners can begin. I'm going to show you how to sign up with a broker. This broker is HotForex. This was one of my first broker trading back in 2020. HotForex. You would go to their main page. Alright, I'm going to accept cookies. Register here. Okay. How does that even tell it from here? Alright, so you would put here the country of residence, your email or phone number. I would recommend the phone number, so all your important things would be sent as SMS. But if you have 2-factor enabled on your email, you can just use an email, create a password, you continue, and it will carry to the page where you would need to add some additional information such as your address and so forth. Now I'm going to just sign in because I already have an account. Alright, so after you had verified your account, right? After you had verified your account, this is the dashboard of HFMARKETS. So what we're going to do now is do one of their promotion. We would go to trading accounts, open a demo account, right? I suggest staying away from live account if you're an absolute beginner. Alright, so this is what we want, the demo contest. Virtual opening balance fixed at 10 grand. Adjustable balance is not adjustable. Leverage fixed at 1 to 200. Live market prices, monthly round, virtual to real contest. So there are prizes for ranking in this contest, right? So you can get up to a 2 grand live account with HotForex, right? You're not gonna be able to draw the whole credit, but anything you make after that 2 grand would be withdrawable. As you can see, it only allows an old school platform, right? I am going to nickname this account Banks Forex contest. Password AU. Okay. Markout. Alright, so now we have a demo account. Alright, this is a good demo account because we might win some money, right? So because I genuinely believe that if you trade solely on demo accounts and expect to be disciplined and sticking to one strategy, it's not gonna happen. You're all over the place because this have to do with the psychology in trading also. So mentally you have to be risking something, if you're actually take things serious. Anyways, the contest might help with that at least a little bit. I think that's better than having zero care if you win or lose. So we'll be downloading the desktop platform, right? Or you can just use the web platform. You don't have to go out of it. Let's see how the web platform look. Let's see if the web platform is a little bit better than MT4. It is not. So it asks if you're logging, and then so it's the same basic stuff as what is on your MT4 if you download it to your desktop. Your desktop is kind of better too, so I'm not going to re-download that because I already have the app. So this is the MetaTrader 4. Usually it would come with 3 or 4 charts just staring at you. Euro. So this is the MetaTrader 4 from HotForex. To sign in, all you need is the trading account number and the password you have set on creating the account. After signing into MT4 with your demo account, contest account, this is the basic chart they normally give you. Alright, let's select Euro USD. Let's select one of these charts. Now we want to clean up this chart. I would recommend adjusting the colors to comforting your eyes, but I'm going to customize it how I normally look at my chart, right? So you would remove the grids, you would remove all of these tools, indicators, right? I don't need all of this. Delete. So I have a clean chart, and now I go to properties or color scheme. Alright, so black and white, or green and black, or yellow and black. Alright, so green and black, and we're going to change some of these stuff. The foreground, we need it to be not so bright white, but the bar up, which is the bull candle, the outer body section, and this is the bar down. This is the bar down, which is the outer ring of the bear candles. So bull candle is green and bear candle is red. so I'm going to just to give it a little off shade for the red. That red is bright now, crimson bright. We're not going to use volumes, we're going to turn off volumes. Ask line, stop level. Let the ask line be, let it be orange. Alright, so I'm going to save this. So whenever I'm on my next chart, I can just use this template. Now I'm going to save this template as banks, right? Alright, so we're looking at Euro USD chart, and this is how you customize your MT4 MetaTrader desktop version. So that should cover the desktop tutorial of creating a demo account from HotForex after signing in with the information provided. Okay, so after downloading the MetaTrader 4 app from the Play Store for the mobile version, when you open it, the first thing you'll see is they'll give you some laws and regulation privacy policy message. You'd click accept. It would ask you if you want to open a demo account with MetaQuote. We already have a demo account to use, so we're going to click no. We're going to search for a broker, which is HotForex, HFM demo server, SV demo server. Okay, so our demo account is, so the login information should be found on the HotForex webpage or your email. Your email will show the trading account username, and the password is the password that you have set at the beginning of creating the account. Okay, so on the mobile version, it gives you the red and green default layout. What we are going to remove though is indicators that are on this page. We have a moving average and relative strength. We're going to remove both. Little chart edit. Yes, customize color. We want green on black. The bar up should be green. Bar down should be a type of red. Bull candle green. Bear candle red. That's it for the customization. We are going to remove grid. To remove the grid, we need to change this to black. Alright, that's a little bit better pleasing to my eyes. We can now see our bull candles or bear candles. We're not going to trade all of these pairs. We're going to be selectively wise on choosing the pairs, so I'm going to remove all for now. Okay, so we're at the end of this video. We will be continuing strategy and risk management in our next video. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you would like to see more.